Okay, so this is the second design that we've been prototyping up here at DoES Liverpool. Again, it's not our design, it's a design that we found online. Now the difference between this and the last one that we were looking at was that the last one was 3D printed. That took about an hour and 20 minutes to print out. This, on the other hand, is a laser cut design. So there are some benefits to that. I mean, a laser cutter basically is a bed and the laser moves around and it just cuts through the material. So this is a sort of plastic acrylic material. We can cut through other kinds of material, but this is what we tend to use here. And this design is quite springy, quite nicely put together. Seems reasonably robust. Now, we cut this out in a few minutes. So, a few minutes versus, 80 minutes. Quite a big difference there. We could get through quite a lot of laser cut materials if we went down this route. It's a bit more expensive. A sheet of acrylic is coming in at, say, £3. I think we could probably get 2 of these onto one of those sheets, hopefully, with a bit of fandangling, and it's maybe 150 each one of these things. So, we'll put that on. One of the nice things about this design, again contrasting with the other, is that there's a kind of an offset. Maybe you can see that. Maybe we'll take it off again. There's an offset here, which is taking this away from the front of my face. Particularly if I was wearing protective glasses or something. This is shorter than it would necessarily be, but again we've got the same thing. We've got an OHP transparency, which is just cut through with a standard hole cutter, and that's sort of connected onto these little nodules at the side, and you can go round, right round if you want. It feels as though that would be too far, but again, I mean that actually, it feels quite usable. It's pretty secure on my head. If that was further down. Yeah, so again, second prototype. We've got a couple more in the works. We'd love to hear from you what you think of this. Pros, cons, engage with us. Thank you.